Glitchy phone. Great.
Have you ever watched a terrifying horror story and thought,
I could create something just as terrifying, if only I knew how.
well, what if I told you that you don't need Hollywood budgets or a team of experts to bring your vision to life? With these AI tools that I will use today, you can craft realistic and cinematic horror stories that will haunt your audience in the best way possible. Welcome to this full course where I'll guide you step by step on creating professional quality, terrifying horror stories using AI tools. Whether you're a storyteller, filmmaker, or someone who loves creativity, this course is for you. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered horror filmmaking. In this course, we're focusing on creating realistic and cinematic horror stories. You'll learn how to write a gripping script using AI, generate stunning visuals for your scenes, animate those visuals to bring them to life, add professional voiceovers, sound effects, and music, edit and finalize your movie for a polished, terrifying finish. All the tools we'll use are accessible and easy to operate, with many providing daily credits for creation. Let's get started. Every great story begins with a great script. It's the foundation that sets the tone, builds the tension, and defines the story. In a story, the script is everything. It's what keeps your audience on edge. Let's start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm some terrifying horror story title ideas. I'll type in a prompt. Generate a list of 15 original and spine-chilling horror story titles. The titles should evoke mystery, fear, suspense, and intrigue. The theme should involve ghosts, haunted, psychological horror, supernatural beings, and urban legends. As for the location, choose an abandoned hospital, abandoned house, forest, or cemetery. The title should be concise, eerie, and leave room for imagination. Here are the results for 15 original hyper-realistic horror title ideas based on the theme and location from the prompt. Choosing the title is important as it grabs attention, sets the tone, and sparks curiosity. The right title makes your horror story unforgettable. So, let's find the perfect one. Once you have chosen a title, the next step is to create the script for your story. Here, I've pasted the prompt I used to generate the script. Next, copy the title and paste it inside the brackets, then add the location, and click enter. Watch how ChatGPT generates the script for the story. Amazing, right? Now that we have the story, we need a detailed character description to ensure a consistent look for the character. Again, in ChatGPT, type generate a character profile description using this format: name, age, gender, hair, face feature, face shape, body type, skin tone, top and bottom attire, footwear, background setting, and action. Make the description cinematic, eerie, and fit for a horror setting. Then click enter. Next, we need to create an image prompt to generate images. Of course, ChatGPT will help us with that. Here, type, provide a storyboard layout for the horror story, the forest that breathes in the dark in every shot or action. It should include scene descriptions, shot types, camera angles, sound effects, and AI image prompts with character profiles. To ensure consistency, the AI should be guided to generate images accurately. I'll input the character's details below. Just change the facial expression, action, and background as required for each scene. Copy the character's description and paste them below the command prompt, then click enter. Look at that! As expected, ChatGPT gave us exactly what we asked for, breaking the story into scenes and creating a detailed storyboard layout that includes shot types, camera angles, sound effects, scene descriptions, and image prompts. But we're not done yet. Before generating the visuals, we want everything ready. Here, we need to ask ChatGPT, for every shot, I want a scene breakdown to make animation easier in AI video tools like Kling AI. Wait until ChatGPT completes generating the scene breakdown for the animation. With these details, we'll create animation prompts using the image to video structure. In ChatGPT, type now with the AI video prompt, put them in a single prompt using this image to video structure, camera language, plus subject movement, plus background movement, plus lighting, plus atmosphere, and click enter. Look at this video prompt, ChatGPT. Insert all the prompt details into our provided image to video structure, which includes the camera, subject, background, lighting, and atmosphere. Now that we have everything ready, from generating an engaging title and writing the script to providing character descriptions, crafting the storyboard layout for image prompts, and creating AI video prompts. Next, copy and paste them into Google Docs or any text editor of your choice. Then make any necessary adjustments. Once done, it's time to generate the images. For this, I will use Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and create an account or log in. Once logged in, click on Image Generation. Then, go back to Google Docs and copy the image prompt for the first scene. In Leonardo AI, paste the prompt into the prompt generator. Select the model to Phoenix 1.0. Then, set the style to Moody. Choose the ratio 16:9 and set the desired number of images. Then click Generate. Wait a few moments for the generation to finish. Once it is complete, preview the generated images. If you don't like the result, regenerate them. Then copy the next prompt and paste it into the image prompt generator, then click Generate. Here, there is no need to change the previous settings. After that, generate the remaining prompts. Once all the images have been generated, choose the one that best fits the scene and download it. Now that we have the images, it's time to bring them to life. AI-generated images look great, but without motion, they can feel static. Adding movement makes them dynamic, engaging, and cinematic. Let's animate our images and make them come alive. I'll be using Kling AI for adding motions. Open Kling AI and log into your account. Once logged in, click AI Video. Make sure to select Image to Video. Then click the Frames option and upload the first image. Next, in Google Docs, copy the motion prompt for this image and paste it here. Now, if you click this Get Inspirations, you can explore these different camera movements and apply them to your prompt. Then, I'll be using standard mode with a 5-second duration. Once everything is set, click Generate. The video generation process takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the Pro version, while the free version may take longer. If you're using a free account, please be patient. Now that the video is ready, preview the result. Wow, look at that. Amazing! Now, generate the remaining ones. If you're not satisfied with the result, regenerate them. Once you're happy, choose the one you like and download it. Note, for free accounts, the generated video will have a watermark. Next, let's add voice and sound effects, because what's an animation without sound, right? No story is complete without dialogue. Let's bring our story to life using 11 Labs, a powerful AI voice generation platform that delivers high-quality, realistic voices. Open 11 Labs and sign in to your account. Click on the text-to-speech feature, then copy the dialogue or narration sections from your story and paste them into 11 Labs. Next, explore the available voice options and choose the one that best fits the character. Selecting the perfect voice is crucial for bringing characters to life. It enhances emotion, personality, and immersion, ensuring consistency and a deeper connection with the audience. The right voice makes stories more engaging and memorable. Next, select the model and fine-tune the stability setting. Adjust the similarity enhancement to improve voice clarity and speaker likeness. Style exaggeration and keep speaker boost enabled to make the synthesized speech closely resemble the selected voice. Once everything is set up, click Generate to create the audio. If you're unsatisfied with the result, you can regenerate it twice at no extra cost, giving you 3 attempts per input. You can access your saved files in the history section where all your generated audio clips are stored. Review the voiceover, and if it meets your expectations, download the best version. Repeat this step for the rest of your script. With our voiceover complete, it's time to enhance the atmosphere with sound effects. Adding the right audio elements will amplify the horror experience. Now head over to Pixabay and select the sound effects option. If you remember, when we created the storyboard layout for the image prompt, it included the sound effect. Now copy these keywords. Then paste it into the Pixabay search bar and press enter. Listen carefully to the tracks, take your time selecting the one that best fits the scene, and then download it. Some scenes may require multiple sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. Then generate all the necessary sound effects for the entire story. Adding these sound effects and background music will enhance the depth and realism of your animation, immersing your audience and elevating your story to a new level. With our voiceover, visuals, and music prepared, it's time to put everything together. I'm using CapCut for editing since it's easy to use and highly efficient. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Then import all the files. I put them in a folder to easily identify the files. Place all the videos on the timeline and arrange the animated scenes in the correct sequence based on your script. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, drag and drop the audio files onto the timeline, ensuring the dialogue and narration align perfectly with the visuals. Then add transitions between scenes to enhance the visual appeal. Feel free to experiment with different transitions to achieve the best result. For extra creativity, consider applying filters and effects to enhance realism. Next is to add sound effects. Adding sound effects to your video enhances storytelling, boosts engagement, and adds depth. Select sound effects that match the scene for maximum impact. Spend more time editing your video to achieve the best results. Now I will fast forward the video. Once satisfied, preview it and make final adjustments. Next, export the video, rename the project, then select 4K resolution for high quality and click export. And there you have it, a realistic horror story created entirely with AI. Here's a recap of what we covered today. We went through every step of creating a realistic horror story, from generating the script and visuals to animation, voiceovers, sound effects, and editing. With just AI tools, you can achieve professional results without any prior experience. Now it's your turn. Use the steps we've covered to create your own horror masterpiece. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Remember, creativity has no limits. With AI tools at your fingertips, you can bring even your darkest and most terrifying ideas to life. Here's a final look at the short story we created. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
They say the forest breathes at night, that if you listen closely, it calls for you.
Urban legends. It's always the same. Just a bunch of trees. Let's get this over with. Glitchy phone. Great. All right. Anyone there? Who are you?
You shouldn't be here.
Oh God. This isn't real. This isn't real.
It's time to come home. You shouldn't be here.
Journalist Ethan Carter disappeared last night while investigating Black Hollow Forest. Am I going in to find out the truth?